What is the benefits of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers various benefits for both advertisers and affiliates, also known as publishers. Here are some of the key advantages. Cost-effective. For advertisers, affiliate marketing is a performance-based model, meaning they only pay affiliates when a desired action is completed, such as a sale, lead, or click. This reduces the risk of spending money on advertising that doesn't generate results. Wider reach. Affiliates can promote products or services to a broader audience that the advertiser might not have access to. This can result in increased brand exposure and potential customers. Diverse audience. Affiliates often specialize in specific niches, which allows advertisers to tap into unique and targeted audiences, increasing the chances of conversion. Enhanced SEO. Affiliate websites can provide backlinks and referrals, which can improve the advertiser's search engine ranking and overall online visibility. Performance-based metrics. Advertisers can easily track the success of their campaigns through performance metrics like clicks, conversions, and sales. This data helps optimize marketing efforts and make informed decisions. Low entry barriers. Affiliate marketing offers a relatively low-cost way for individuals to start an online business. With minimal investment, affiliates can begin promoting products and earning commissions. Time efficiency. For affiliates, much of the groundwork, product creation, logistics, customer support, is handled by the advertiser. This allows affiliates to focus on marketing and driving traffic to the products. Flexibility and independence. Affiliates can choose the products or services they want to promote, allowing them to align with their interests and passions. This flexibility enables affiliates to work independently and manage their schedules. Global reach. Affiliate marketing allows advertisers to reach a worldwide audience through various affiliate partners located in different regions. Win-win partnership. When done right, affiliate marketing creates a mutually beneficial relationship between advertisers and affiliates, leading to long-term collaborations and increased profits for both parties. Overall, affiliate marketing is a powerful and cost-effective strategy that can significantly boost sales and brand exposure for advertisers while offering affiliates an opportunity to earn passive income with minimal upfront investment. However, successful affiliate marketing requires a well-planned strategy, reliable tracking tools, and a strong focus on building trust with the audience.